Whether you just like the taste of coffee, drink it out of habit, or truly rely on it for energy, it's no secret the drink has magical powers. But have you ever thought about what it's actually doing after you gulp down your morning mug? The caffeine enters your bloodstream and quickly finds its way to your brain, where it works as a stimulant and boosts alertness and energy. It can take as few as 10 minutes from drinking for caffeine to start working. Caffeine binds to adenosine receptors in the brain. Adenosine is a nervous system depressant, meaning its presence suppresses arousal and promotes sleep. When caffeine intrudes and binds to the receptors, adenosine's effects are lessened, and we become stimulated. What are the top health benefits of drinking coffee? You could live longer. Recent studies found that coffee drinkers are less likely to die from some of the leading causes of death in women: coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and kidney disease. Your body may process glucose, or sugar, better. That's the theory behind studies that found that people who drink more coffee are less likely to get type 2 diabetes. Your DNA will be stronger. Dark roast coffee decreases breakage in DNA strands, which occur naturally but can lead to cancer or tumors if not repaired by your cells. What are the top health disadvantages of drinking coffee? 1. Bad coffee can be toxic. Beans that have been over-ripped or otherwise ruined. Even one ruined bean can make your cup toxic. If you invest and buy high-quality, specialty coffee, you don't have to worry about this. 2. Coffee can kill you. Yes, if you drink 80 to 100 cups, 23 liters, in a short session. This dose is lethal and will amount in 10 to 13 grams of caffeine within your body. Before you reach this point, however, you'll be vomiting most of it out since 23 liters of any liquid is a lot. Even drinking 23 liters of water can kill you. 3. Coffee can cause insomnia and restlessness. Your recommended maximum amount of caffeine is 400 milligrams, roughly the amount that you'll get from 4 cups of coffee. If you're caffeine sensitive, be careful with coffee. You are probably already aware what amount and what kind of coffee suits or doesn't suit you. The amount of caffeine that is safe for human consumption is actually written in our DNA.